In this video, I will discuss a JEE Advanced PYQ from the topic Ray Optics. This question is on concave mirror. First, I'll discuss some basics. The mirror formula relates U, V, and F. U is the object distance, V is the image distance from the mirror, and F is the focal length of the mirror as 1 by U plus 1 by V equal to 1 by F. When the object is moving, the object distance will be a function of time and also the image distance, but the focal length is fixed because the mirror is a rigid mirror. The curvature of the mirror is fixed. So differentiating this thing, both sides with respect to time, I'll get minus 1 by u square into du by dt minus 1 by v square dv by dt equal to 0. Du by dt is how fast the object distance is changing from the mirror. So this velocity of the object with respect to mirror, and how fast the image distance is changing with respect to mirror is velocity of the image with respect to mirror. So from this I get the relation velocity of image with respect to mirror by v square and velocity of the object with respect to mirror by u square, and there is a minus sign. When the object is moving towards the mirror, the image will move away. So that is indicated by this negative sign. So with this understanding, you can solve this JEE Advanced question. This question has appeared in the year 2022. Timestamps are given in the description box. You can watch parts of video if running short of time. This is a question. An object and a concave mirror of focal length f equal to 10 cm both move along the principal axis of the mirror with constant speeds. The object moves with speed v0 15 cm per second towards the mirror with respect to a laboratory frame. The distance between the object and mirror at a given moment is denoted by u. When u equal to 30 cm, the speed of the mirror Vm is such that the image is instantaneously at rest with respect to the lab frame, and the object forms a real image. The magnitude of Vm is dash centimeter per second. So this is a concave mirror, object moving towards the mirror with speed v0, and the mirror has got a speed Vm. And in one particular case, when u is 30, image is instantly at rest with respect to the lab frame. So we have to find Vm. So when u is 30, we can find V by using the mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v equal to 1 by f. Focal length is 10 cm, but we have to put the sign. For a concave mirror, the convention is this is the origin, and the direction of the incident light, which is towards right, is positive x direction. So focal length, we have to send a parallel beam, so the focal point will be here. So the focal length is negative, so it should be minus 10. And object distance is 30 cm on the left side. So u is 30 with the minus sign. So this will give v in centimeter. So 1 by v equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. So cross multiply minus 20 by 30 into 10. So v is minus 15 centimeter. And we have the relation between the image speed and the object speed, velocity of image with respect to mirror, and velocity of object with respect to mirror. Both are related. This will be divided by v square and this by u square, and then put a minus sign. So velocity of object in that one particular case, which they are given, is 15 centimeter per second. So this is VO minus VM. So 15 centimeter per second minus the velocity of the mirror by U square, it's 30 square. Velocity of image with respect to the lab frame is 0 minus velocity of the mirror, and then V we have found out as 15. When U is 30, V is 15. So here there should be one unknown. So this minus L absorbed here, so it will become Vm into 30 by 15 square, 15 minus Vm. This is 2 square, this is 4. So 4 Vm on the right side. So if I take this thing here, it will become 5 Vm equal to 15. So that means Vm equal to 3. This is in centimeter per second. These two units will cancel. So Vm should be in centimeter per second. So the answer to this question is velocity of the mirror is 3 centimeter per second. That is the correct answer. This is what is done here. Mirror formula, relation between U, V and F. So U is minus 30 and F is minus 10. So from this V is minus 15 centimeter and U is 30. Relation between the velocity of image with respect to the mirror and velocity of object with respect to the mirror is related like this. And this particular case of U and V, and the velocity of image is 0 when U is 15, V is 15 and U is 30, and velocity of object is 15. So from this I get the velocity of the mirror as 3 centimeter per second.